Alright, so what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our next vlog. Today is a very exciting one for me. But before I tell you what I have to do today, I just want to apologize to everybody that has been asking me about, vlogs and not putting out content or anything like that, So I'm just here apologizing. Sincerely sorry. I'm going to try to do better with my vlog movement, but as I said, today is a very, very, today is a very, very important day, a very exciting day rather, because today I will be introducing, I'll be installing Android radio today in the car. Yeah, man. So if you're new to the channel and you've seen this video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, for more videos like this. Yeah, man. So it's a very important and a very exciting day because I've been waiting on this Android radio for almost a month. So the time is finally here. It's finally here. So today is the day I go to install that Android radio. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, stick around. It's gonna be a very exciting vlog. All right, I'm out. Yeah, man. So I just got an update from one of my good friends that the Android radio has arrived. So I'm glad to hear that. I have a bit of time on my hands today to go and collect it and install it. So, follow me on this movement. Yeah, man. One of my good friend, most people know him as Mr. Neat. His YouTube channel goes by Neat So Random. So definitely check out his channel. I'll put the link in the description below. But he's the one that actually got this radio for me, so I can actually go to install it, So big up yourself, and follow me on this movement to go get this radio installed. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the little support that I've been getting, and I'll try to improve on my content, as it regards to these vlogs. All right. So follow me on the movement. This is Prince Hill out. So welcome back. So we're up on location and thing. If you install the Android radio, as I was telling you before, you see it, so there and thing. I'm getting a look on the Android radio right, so the Android radio there, so yeah, big 10-inch radio, big 10-inch radio going, so 10.1 inch. You see it, and as I say, we're there with one of Mr. Need good version them to install it. You see it, so just some advice. If you're gonna install an Android radio, you have to make sure you're a professional and install it, because really and truly not everybody have the skills can install an Android radio. Because it can burn up if the wrong way them go together and everything like that. See? Yeah, man. So it come with the screen. It also comes with a reverse camera, the little bracket them, the wire them, the whole works. There, so you see me. So this one will be coming out. Also them have to change the frame, which is the frame you're seeing right here. Yeah, man. So the frame here have a bigger cutout, as you can see. To fit the 10.1 inch Android radio. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So in general, say I'm going to install the rear camera first. I might install everything around that side here to actually make one move and come up this side. You see, so I'm going to go and do him thing this way. I'm a professional. You see me, and we're just there and we want our thing to look more official. You see it. Yeah, man. So never know, so so much dirt there, but General, I say on one side, the power need to forward from for power the reverse camera. Yeah man, so you know, General of all them tool them from A go down to Z. You want him pull off one little thing right there, so you know, detach the cable them from the reverse light, the indicator light and the brake light, you know, to actually install the reverse camera and thing. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is the reverse camera that you're looking at. So you see it here. Yeah man, so I'm close up right. You hear me? So all the little works then I'm doing one thing. Is it?
Yeah, but I'm not telling us if you make your well low and you can't reach up there.
On the wire there. And then I'm going to connect.
You hear me?
The next wire. The red part right there. So.
I said the car can't reach up on that area there because my car low.
See it?
The road in 100.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Part right now, so you must switch the frame them now and thing, so it can actually fit the radio. You understand? This is the new frame, don't you know? Yeah, the new one is so this is the bigger one now. Let me see the smaller one. Alright, so this was a smaller one. So as you can see. As you can see, the cutout was not big enough for the 10.1 inch. As you see earlier with the bigger frame, you know that cutout is there. You understand? Yeah man. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Because runners are basically complete now. You know, runners are basically complete. Yeah man, so the camera is right there. You know, sooner or later I'm gonna go fit it where it's actually supposed to be. You know, so we can have a clear view of what's behind the car. You know, just in case of nothing. Yeah, bad. Bad. I want to see it right there, so. First light. Now look on the camera. I want to see it from the rear view. See it again. Yeah, screen well broad. Yeah, man. I see the general there. Yeah, man. But like a yard. Yeah, that's what it said. You want to see it there again. Yeah man. Just stay tuned for so long going. Yeah, so this is a finished product, guys. I don't know the screen well big. Hype now. Brother lie. That's what they go, you know? Yeah man, a flat screen TV we are dealing with now. Bad man, bad. Yeah, me have a channel. I have a channel and thing man. Bad same way. Yeah, I look how I go on, man. Yeah. Yeah, reverse camera and baiting. Yeah, man. It's mad. Here's the radio. Yeah. And then traffic out had mobile. Still away, but yeah. The radio. Yeah. So how big the screen is? Yeah, peeps. So I just reached back at Palladium. So this is the finished product. You know, there was a lot of traffic on the road coming back from installing this, but yeah man, this is the finished product and everything. You know, big 10.1 inch screen. You see me? I'm gonna lock off the light and I'm gonna start the car. Just if you wanna say how it will start up. Yeah man, so this is the radio. Well, me kinda installed a little thing upon it and thing like the launcher and thing. See? Yeah man, so me inside the launcher here. It's not the original one that came with it, but yeah man, this is how the screen looks and everything. Yeah man, and you know, put a little thing them right there so more use and thing. Yeah man, so it's a good look. It's a very good look. Alright peeps, I'm just reached home, you know, from installing the radio. You know, it was a long day, but you know, it's done. You know, so you don't know. If you enjoyed this video, you know, it's a short vlog and everything, but if you enjoyed this video, you know, do remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, you know, share, you know, with the people them you don't know where the thing go. Yeah man, so I'm out. See you in my next video. Peace.